Hello all, welcome to Rayan Kiwan YouTube channel. In this video I will show you my coffee shop Arduino project where all you need is keypad, LCD and Arduino Uno. So let's start the simulation. First, when we run Rayan's coffee, select an item. After that, you wait a while and start displaying the items: espresso, latte, cappuccino, Nescafe, milkshake, croissant, cocktail, cookies, sandwiches, juice, crepe. Now after that, the machine will ask us to press any key. So I will press on number 1. After pressing number 1, I choose espresso. If I press number 2, now if I press on number 2, I select latte. I wait a while. Third, if I press on 3, I select cappuccino. Fourth, if I press on number 4, Nescafe. Until the end, I choose all the items. So if you like such projects, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you.